Hi, glad you can join us for a new tutorial. Sometimes, some products might be experiencing a low sales rate, due to whatever reason. It could be due to having a crappy image, a bad description, or simply being in need of a marketing booster. Therefore, finding these products is crucial to maintain a standard sales rate among your products. This can be done using the normal WordPress editor, but if you have hundreds of products in your store, the process would take quite an amount of time. But there is no need to panic. In this tutorial we are going to teach you a simpler and quicker way to find products with low sales in just a few clicks. For this, you will only be needing the WP Sheet Editor plugin for WooCommerce, which is a powerful tool that allows us to bulk apply changes to hundreds of products at the same time. You can grab it from the link on the description of this video. Once you open the plugin, you will find a spreadsheet, where you will find all your products with their info displayed on a very user-friendly manner. For this tutorial, let's move to the upper toolbar and open the search tool. You can use these fields to filter your products based in any search criteria you might want, like a certain keyword, or the variations of your product. For now, we are going to leave the fields empty and activate the advanced filters. Scroll down and enter total sales as your field key. Enter less than as your operator. And in this field, we are going to add the threshold for the item to be considered as a low sale product. I'm going to enter 10, but you can use any threshold you want. Now, click the Run Search button. As you see, the spreadsheet is now displaying all the products with sales lower than 10 items. You can modify the items one by one, or using the bulk edit tool to do it at once. If what you want to do is to modify just the products containing a certain keyword in their title, say, the t-shirts, it is a quite easy process. Move to the search tool and click to open it. In this field, let's enter the keyword we want to look for. In this case, t-shirts. Scroll down and activate the advanced filters. Enter total sales as your field key, so the plugin can know where to look for the info. Less than. And define your threshold. This time I'm going to input 5. Once the search is completed, you can see the filters used above the spreadsheet. Only the items matching the search criteria will be displayed. Now you might be thinking, okay, but how do I look for specific attributes of certain products? Maybe you want to know, for example, how many models of black shoes are getting a low sales rate, so you can either delete them from your store or modify them in some way. Let's head back to the search tool. We will enter shoes as keyword. In the attributes field, enter black. Now activate the advanced filters. Select total sales. Less than. And apply the value you will want as sales threshold. For his example, I'm going to enter 5. Again, you will find the filters applied above your spreadsheet. You can pick product by product or use the bulk edit tool to modify all the items at once. Finally, if you are only interested on finding the products registering low sales from a specific vendor, you can also do it from the search tool. For this example, we are going to look for all the products uploaded by the vendor David. Tick on the advanced filters. Once the new fields are displayed, select total sales. Apply less than as operator. And enter your numeric threshold. Remember that you can use any value that works for you. That's it. Super easy, right? Download WP Sheet Editor from the link in the description. If you need some chat support, you can always visit our website. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new tutorials.